Most SUV buyers are accidentally locking themselves into a financial mistake that lasts longer than the car itself. They chase brand names. They overpay for safe choices. And while that happens, 3 absurdly durable SUVs are rotting on dealer lots. Ignored, discounted, and misunderstood. I know this because I've spent more than 20 years fixing what other people regret buying. I've opened engines that self-destructed before the warranty expired. I've also serviced vehicles so reliable they refuse to die, even after 400,000 miles. Longevity isn't random, it's predictable. The funniest part? Dealers can't give these away. Last month, I had a heated conversation with a sales manager about that luxury SUV. He thought the badge should make it sell faster. When I explained why buyers avoid it and why that fear is misplaced, he went silent. I'll tell you exactly what he said. Today, I'm counting down 3 SUVs no one wants, that mechanics quietly trust, and that outlast vehicles costing twice as much. The final one completely breaks buyer logic, and that's exactly why it's the smartest purchase on this list. The SUV buyers ignore, and mechanics quietly respect. Among more than 24 compact SUVs sold in America, this one consistently ranks at the top for long-term reliability. Yet when people shop for a used SUV, it is rarely on their shortlist. That oversight creates opportunity. A 2019 CX-5 with 187,000 miles came into my shop recently. The owner was concerned because the vehicle still felt unusually tight and smooth for its mileage. He assumed something must be wrong. After a full inspection and time on the lift, the diagnosis was simple: worn rear brake pads. Total repair cost, $280. Over the past 2 decades, I've serviced well over 100 CX-5s. What stands out isn't what fails, but what doesn't. Engines remain untouched. Transmissions stay sealed. Timing systems are rarely disturbed. From a mechanical standpoint, the CX-5 is almost uneventful, and that is precisely its strength. Mazda's 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine is driven by a timing chain, not a belt. This design eliminates a major scheduled service that often costs $800 to $1,200 every 100,000 miles. The transmission is a conventional 6-speed automatic, avoiding the long-term reliability issues commonly associated with CVTs and dual-clutch systems. Repair data reinforces the experience. Average annual repair cost, $447. Compact SUV segment average, $573. That difference compounds year after year. Mazda's smaller U.S. market share also works in the buyer's favor. Lower brand demand results in lower used prices. In practical terms, this means a CX-5 can often be purchased for $3,000 to $5,000 less than a similarly equipped Honda CR-V, while delivering comparable reliability. The best years to target are 2019 and 2020. Avoid 2016 models due to higher complaint volumes and LED headlight issues. Some 2021 turbo models have a valve stem seal advisory, so oil consumption should be checked carefully on those vehicles. The CX-5 is an excellent choice for drivers who value durability, low ownership costs, and precise handling. However, it is not ideal for buyers who require a hybrid option, maximum cargo capacity, or widespread dealership availability. That quiet, no-nonsense nature is exactly why this SUV is overlooked, and exactly why it earns its place on this list. Number 2. The Toyota Venza Hybrid. Most buyers don't even notice the Venza. They walk past it every day, blind to what they're missing, and pay a premium for a RAV4 instead. Same engine, same hybrid tech, but fewer buyers. Less hype, lower prices, hidden gold. I recently checked a 2021 Venza Hybrid priced at $23,000. 53,000 miles. meticulously maintained. No surprises. It hit 39 miles per gallon with the same hybrid system that powers a RAV4. And yet nobody wants it. Why? Because people forget it exists. This isn't some experimental tech. Toyota has been perfecting this hybrid system since 1997. A 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine works in perfect harmony with a battery that's guaranteed for 10 years or 150,000 miles. This SUV ages like fine wine. The numbers don't lie. Annual maintenance averages $444, well below the mid-size SUV norm. Fuel savings? Between $1,200 and $6,500 every year compared to a gas guzzler. Over time, that adds up fast. And yet, the market ignores it. A same-year RAV4 hybrid loses 18% of its value after 3 years. The Venza? 28%. Same quality, same reliability, just fewer buyers. That gap? That's your opportunity. If you're hunting for a long-term, ultra-efficient SUV, this is the one to grab. But it's not for flippers or anyone who needs maximum cargo space. And if you shop 2021 models, check the windshield. Some have a known cracking issue. In a world where people overpay for the obvious, the Venza is the quiet winner. And quiet winners like this? They make savvy buyers a lot of money in the long run. 01 Acura RDX, the underrated contender. Everyone ignores the Acura RDX. It sits awkwardly between budget-friendly Hondas and high-end luxury SUVs, and that makes it invisible to most buyers. But if you ask a mechanic, this SUV is gold. Imagine this, a 2020 RDX, priced at just $21,500 with 48,000 kilometers on the clock. It feels like a brand new car. Why? Because the third-generation RDX pairs a 2.0-liter turbo engine with a 10-speed automatic gearbox that just refuses to quit. Tip: skip the older 9-speed models. They're headaches waiting to happen. The beauty is under the hood. It shares parts with the Honda Odyssey, Pilot, and Ridgeline. That means repairs are affordable, closer to Honda prices than luxury prices. On average, it costs about $497 per year to maintain, while comparable premium SUVs will bleed you $859 annually. Here's the kicker: the market undervalues it. The 2020 RDX has already lost 34% of its value just because buyers don't understand its true worth. For anyone chasing a high-end feel with rock-solid reliability, this is a dream SUV. But if you need a third row or want a quick flip, it's not for you. Final thoughts. When you stack the Acura RDX, Mazda CX-5, and Toyota Venza Hybrid against flashy competitors, one fact becomes clear: you can spend less and get more dependability. Many people spend the cost of a single repair on a popular SUV, while these underdogs quietly run for hundreds of thousands of kilometers with minimal expense.